Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Saeco Xelsis with us in the shop that originally came in for an issue with the milk frothing system, and that was having issues with getting the foam for the milk. So when you would max out on, like, say, if you were to go to milk froth over here, if you were to max it out, it was barely making any foam. We ended up doing a tune-up on the machine, which helped a little bit, but not fully helping out with the milk issue. And what happened is that actually it's deep in the machine, but you have to what we ended up finding was there's an air valve that's located in between the milk system to take apart quite a bit of the machine to actually get there. And what I found is that it was just that little air valve. It's a tiny little hole, kind of like a Jaclor if you're aware of normal espresso machines, and it pulls air from the outside into the system so that it can aerate your milk. That was clogged, and so taking apart the whole valve, cleaning it, descaling it, putting it back together, putting the machine back together after that, we resolved the issue. So now we are going to quickly just make a latte macchiato here. We are going to do a good amount of coffee, actually, 250 mils. But it's going to make the milk first, which is the important part. We are using real milk for this, as you can see on the left here. But you're going to notice that the milk is going to be really, really foamy. I'm going to scoop my finger in there just so you can see how foamy it is. Once it starts heating up, then it's going to start pulling milk through the system. There you go. Now it's going to start making milk. And you're also going to notice how foamy it is once the coffee cuts through the cup. You're going to see kind of the coffee dig into the foam, but as you can see right now, it's really, really foamy. I'll get a closer look. Looking good. If I were to wait for that to finish and scoop my finger in it, you can see how foamy it is. And then you're gonna also notice when the coffee kind of hits it, it's gonna cut through all that foam. You can see just how foamy it is just from how it cuts through. So yeah, if you could just kind of scoop a lot of it out here. As you can see, and it's now working well. Again, it was just mainly air not being able to get inside the machine, but now it is. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.